folks, hey, it's me again. What do I got for you? I got basically a tool review, but it's not exactly a normal tool review. It's something I picked up because mind you, I've never seen a lot of things, but I picked it up because it was interesting, and I looked online. It's made by Craftsman, and what it is it's called a gluing clamp. There's two of them on eBay right now for 35 bucks. Paid like $5 for the thing, and it looks like this. And you can put it on like this, but I'm not really sure what the hell this would do. I mean, lock it on the table like this, and you can kind of like, I'll show you up close actually. See? Look, see? I'm not really, I'd like to see how this is used. It's a very unique function. I paid like $4 for it. And there's the words. Craftsman. It's in nice shape. It's aluminum, it's not painted. It's really cool. But does this go on like a board and it get pushed sideways? Does it go clamp this way and get put like, does it make the thing level? Does it go this way? Yeah. Do you clamp it on a board this way? I don't know. So you put it like this maybe? I have no idea. But I thought it was cool. So yeah, if you know how to use a Craftsman gluing clamp like this, please direct me to the link. I want to see how it works. I'm sure I'll find a use for it. Anyway, that was just a little short video I want to make. My little videos of tool reviews. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll be working on a Wilton video. A couple of Wilton videos and some other stuff to get out of the way. So keep spying on my channel.